isn't
It's
it?
actually nice just seeing him wandering around in the forest undergrowth.
You can see he's got very good camouflage.
He has. That colour is incredible.
So, you know, evolution hasn't entirely rendered him useless.
Hello. You're going to look in the lens.
A typical male, Sirocco is clearly only interested in one thing.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh, look at that.
Ow. God, he's got sharp claws.
He's getting a bit frisky.
Ow. Ow.
Do you think it is he's actually attempting a sort of mating ritual? He is. Oh, must. You are being shagged.
Or not. Ow. God, it's sharp.
Look, he's so happy.
Sorry, but this is one of the funniest things I've ever seen. You are being shagged by a rare parrot. He thinks you are.
Ow.
And he's really going for it. Wow, you've chosen him? Is it actually, you were in pain, aren't you?
That's all right.